Hi guys, what's up? Today we are playing Caged Bird Lost Mystery Story and something new happened. My face cam is here. So yeah. Okay. It's not perfect, but it's good. So yeah, let's get started. Let's continue. Yes. Welcome back. Let's continue our adventure. So I don't remember where we stopped last time. We were in what's his name again? Jewel. Yeah. Jewel? Okay, let me just too loud. Okay. That's it. Jewel smiles at you. Jewel? Okay. Sorry if you can't see my face. Okay. Jewel smiles at you and you feel a blush creep over your cheek. So, Sherlock, how will we go about finding this Johnny? Well, there are a few ways we can find him. She's blushing. Okay, there. Where should we start? Searching on the internet? How will you find Johnny? Okay, search the name Johnny in your city. Search local curriculum in your city. Search single guys in the city. Single? No, he might have another girlfriend. Search local curriculum in your city. What about the second one? We should be able to search for carpenters in our city. Maybe we will see one named Johnny. Okay. You open your phone and search for carpenters in your city. This looks like the perfect candidate. His name is Johnny and he is 21 years old. Sounds perfect. Does it give us address? It says he lives about a mile from here. Wow, that is close. Yeah, not so. Excellent. Maybe we can catch him at home this morning. Jewel grabs your hand and pulls you up for the couch. We really do make a fine detective team. I will bet the real Sherlock Holmes would be very proud. Yeah. Jewel laughs at your remarks as he grabs his car keys from the table. Have you got GPS? Yeah, sorry, GPS. Yeah, GPS. On that phone of yours? You show Jewel the map on your phone. I'm already ahead of you. It says we are 5 minutes away from Johnny's address. With my driving, I think we can make it in 2 minutes. Yeah, why not? Come on. Just never goes when I want it to go. Okay, I'm coming, Coral. Just hold on a bit longer. Also, it is a short drive to that address. It feels like it takes forever to get there. I can't believe there is that much traffic on a weekend morning. It does look like everyone has decided to get out for their Sunday drive a little early than normal. You are fused so hard on getting to Johnny's house that you don't even notice the houses flying by. I hope we find Coral at this address. I do too. Jewel reaches across and holds your hand. It's going to be okay. You will find her and we will all be laughing at this in a few days. You would like to think Jewel is right, but you just can't help but feel helpless right now. Oh my gosh. That's a beautiful house. Within a few minutes, you arrive at the address on the map. You notice a truck with a ladder and a toolbox in the driveway. On the side of the truck is a sign with Johnny's Reprise written on it. I think we might be at the right place. You're always in the right place. I hope so. As you and Jewel get out of his car, you notice the curtains moving in the front windows. Okay, this Johnny dude is kind of weird. I'm not joking. Well, it looks like someone's home. Did you see those curtains moving? As you follow Jewel up the front steps, the door opened in a flash, and a tall, handsome guy stands before you. Who is it? It's Johnny? Johnny. Wow, he's really handsome. The broad smile on the guy's face catches you off guard, and you stutter your introduction. Hi there, your name couldn't happen to be Johnny, could it? That's me, Johnny. Be good at your service. Johnny is obviously trying to lighten the mood as he introduces himself. You notice that Johnny is wearing a hoodie and he seems to be sweating. Could it be? No, I'm just printed. That's all. Jewel then introduces himself. I am Jewel. I believe we met before when you were with Coral. You notice a glamour of rejection across Johnny's face for a brief moment. I can't say that I remember meeting you. I meet a lot of people. You feel Jewel stuffing beside you, and you see that he is studying Johnny's reactions closely. I bet Johnny's behind all of this. Well, if it's not too much trouble, we would like to come inside and speak with you for a moment about Coral. Johnny hesitates for a moment and then invites you inside. The first thing you notice is the light area at the mirror inside Johnny's home. Noticing your attention to detail, Johnny tries to explain. I suppose it's unusual to see a bachelor's home looking so tidy. Well, you currently are good at your domestic duties. I will have to give you that. As you pass through the house, you notice that every room is neat and well furnished. Please make yourself at home. Johnny Moynihan's toward a couch as he takes a seat on a bin bag. Believe it or not, it actually does get a little dirty sometimes, especially with no mom around to clean for me. Johnny smiles again at you before getting to the reason for your visit. Now, what's this about Coral? Oh, he thinks like, okay, he knows everything. I bet he's the one that actually connects her. You and Joe look at each other before you continue on. My sister Coral has been missing since yesterday, and we were wondering if you might have seen her. Johnny sits back for a moment and appears to be collecting his thoughts. I wonder what's going on under that controlled exterior he presents. No, I can't say that I have seen Coral since we broke up. I wonder if he will tell me the reason they broke up. You decide to quiz him and hope he doesn't see your real motive written in your eyes. Okay. This is really weird. Like really weird. Why did you break up? Yeah, why? Johnny. Did I see a break in Johnny's cool composure? What's the time? Okay, it's still 12 minutes. That, my dear, is not something I care to talk about business. I'm sure she told you all about it. Lowering your eyes, you find it hard to listen to Johnny any longer. Sneezing your incense, Johnny offers to make some tea for you. It was my grandfather's special recipe, and I think you will find it delicious. It should only take a few minutes. Okay. My face cam just froze. Johnny leaves the room and you immediately stand and walk around the living room. Maybe there are some clues in here. A large fireplace takes up on one corner of the room. Looking into the fireplace, you can see the remains of something that is recently been burned. What? Jewel, come here! I think I found something. Okay. We're gonna end it here, guys. I know you're like, what? Let me just move my face cam. Yes. Okay. So let's go back home. Yes. Okay. Just go up a little bit. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like, comment, and share, and subscribe. And I do a lot of things on this channel. So yeah, bye guys. See you in the next episode.